Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing another Omi TV video today. Haven't done one of these in a while. Just gonna kind of talk around, maybe troll a bit. I don't know. But we'll see what happens. We're just trying to vibe, honestly. So, nonetheless, let's get started. All right. So we don't get any creeps or weirdos again this time. That seems to be the Oh, I froze. There we go. Am I good? Yeah, I'm good.
What up,
What's up,
nigga?
Brody? How are you?
Good.
Nice.
Where you from, bro?
I'm not trying to dox myself,
Whatever.
but I'm from Florida. Bro's listening to Raw. Alright.
What's up, bro?
What's up, Brody? Love the flash poster on your wall. Or
Oh, thanks,
roof.
man. I got a bunch of random crap on my wall.
Not gonna lie though, I love the Flash. Flash is one of my favorite DC superheroes.
That's sick, man. I love it. You enjoy the rest of your day now, all right?
You too. See ya. He was cool, I
Cool.
guess. What's up?
Hello.
How are you?
I can't hear. Hi.
Hi. Okay. No. No. Mm-mm. What's up, Brody?
Oh.
Are y'all in school? Bro, what? Why are like people in school right now? Like get off OETV while you're in school, Brody.
Oh my.
What? Oh, okay. What's up?
I thought you were a girl.
Yeah, I get that a lot. Cool.
Touch me, baby, when
Bro's got
you
the
make
LED
it
set
feel
up.
good before I leave again.
Alright. Already off to a not great start. What's up? Alright.
Yep.
Hey. Okay. No. No, no, no. Do not want to be on that. What's up? Alright. Bro, why is everybody in like school? Like this is garbage so far. Oh my god. I really hope I didn't just show something I shouldn't have. What's up? Cool. Hey,
My ginger.
indeed. Twins. Alright, see ya. What's up?
Oh,
Cool. Bro, why is everybody in school right now?
Can you follow me on TikTok?
No.
Alright. Skip her day.
Oh.
No.
One kid's back, and
No.
Whatever.
What's up?
Ew, get a haircut.
No, I'm good, thanks. Bro, what are you doing? I can't even hear, bro. Alright, see ya. What's up? Okay, cool.
Where the fuck is you going?
Yeah, I'm good. Bro,
Yo,
Ed
what's up?
Sheeran?
Yo, you trying to hear the song I wrote?
Are you Ed Sheeran?
Yeah, you want to hear it?
Sure.
Waiting for it to warm up. Can't stand all this snow. Smoking a lot of
Bravo. Keep working at Sheeran. You got this. Have a good day, man.
You stay safe.
That's funny. Bro's got Fortnite and Roblox gift cards. Crazy. What's up, Brody? Bro thought I was a girl. Maybe I should get a haircut. I don't know. What's up?
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. Have you seen a white boy with pinkish, like red hair, lip piercings, jewelry? He's a little like skater emo a little bit.
I mean, I saw one with ginger hair, but no, not with pink.
Dang it. How long have you been on?
Literally about like 5 minutes. I'm recording a video right now.
Oh, am I gonna be featured in it?
Yes, but I can edit you out if you want.
Yeah, can I like not be in it? Like that would be like harming my whole like life. That would like ruin my life.
I'll do my best, but if I can't figure it out, you're gonna be in it.
No, bro, then don't post it.
I gotta post it. I promised my viewers I would post a video today.
Huh?
I promised my
Can
viewers I
you
had to post a
refill?
video. No, because I'm too lazy to do that.
Please.
Um, chat, she's gonna be in there. What's up?
Hi, what's up? Are you streaming or something?
No, I'm recording a video at the moment.
Okay.
You want to say hi to my YouTube channel?
Sure. Hey, YouTube. Wait, I need to. Wait, what's your channel name?
Dead Gaming, but I don't. You want me to? I can't send the link in Omi TV, can I?
No, I don't think you can. Hold up. I can just go on YouTube right now.
All right, hold on. Let me get my channel up. It's just called Dead Gaming, all caps. And there's like a what do they call it? A dash in the middle of Dead and Gaming. Here, I'll just write it in chat and we'll send you the link though.
Hold up. Okay, do you have 21 subs?
I have 71.
71, let me find it.
And if you can't find it by Dead Gaming, you can also look up Razor237.
You're gonna have to write that one too.
All right. All right. If you can't find it by that, I don't know what's going on,
Hold
but
up.
should have like a have you ever played Mortal Kombat before?
I haven't played, but I know what you're talking about.
Should have a picture of like a character in there called Noob Saibot. He's like a shadow guy or whatever.
Oh, okay. Let me find it. Oh, okay. You have 165 videos?
No, I only have 56.
Oh.
I wish I could send you the link right now.
Because it's like really hard because I'm seeing a lot of other people.
Hold on. I'm probably gonna get banned for this, but I'm gonna do it
Oh, I
anyways.
see you. Wait. No, that's not you. Because it like looked like it.
Wait, I have a genius idea.
What is it?
Hold on. I'm about to cook, chat. Hold on. I'm cooking. Boom. Type all that into your search bar.
Wait, hold up.
YouTube.com/@razor237 with the dash. I technically didn't send the link.
Let me paste.
Guys, I'm so smart.
Hold up. It's sending me to Google.
Why is it sending you to Google?
I don't know.
I'm just gonna send you the link. Screw it.
Cause I think you can. I don't think they'll like ban you.
There you go.
Oh, let me find it.
Oh, duh! I forgot to put the HTTPS thing.
That's been around. I don't know.
What's up? How are you? What are you eating?
Chip.
Loki, okay. You got the baked ones? Cool. Yep, and I was banned. There it is. There it freaking is. Chat, chat, chat. I was banned. Of course I freaking was. Why wasn't I? Hold on. Am I still recording? Yeah, I am still recording. Okay. We're gonna go to a different one. Pretty sure monkey is still a thing. So let's do that. We'll do Google. Yep, yep. Continue. Choose an account. Yep. Continue. While visiting the site, don't care. Okay, I think we're good. Am I still recording? Yeah, I am. Okay, cool. Why is bro the oldest person I've ever seen? Bro,
Questions, please. Just don't on your knees. Low on your knees, bitch.
bro
Shut
looks
up
like a
and
nerd.
breathe. Gas all on the ass till I
How do
crash.
I
All the
skip this
flies
app?
till you smash.
Is
Young
it this
place.
button? Yeah. Bro, what's up?
Hold up.
How are you? Okay. Yeah, thank you. By the way, sorry, chat. I did not. I mean, I figured I was gonna get banned, but I didn't think it was gonna happen that quickly. I thought maybe I could, get it, like kind of scam the system, but it didn't work. Um, anyways, what's up, bro?
No, continue.
Bro, I was talking to my chat. My bad.
Your chat.
Yeah,
So you're live streaming.
not at the moment, but I'm recording a video and I'm just referring them as chat.
I see.
That was so funny. What's up? Why is bro smoking his lungs away?
You ugly as fuck, my nigga.
Hey, thanks. I appreciate it. Sticks and stones might break my bones, but words can't hurt me. Why is
You
bro
white or
just
black?
staring into the void?
Are you white or black?
What?
Are you white or black, my nigga?
What kind of question is that?
It's a damn simple ass question.
I'm white, obviously.
Say nigger.
No,
Say it.
no. One, I don't cuss. Two, this is a PG-13 channel. You're on YouTube, Brody. Exactly. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Mm-hmm.
Yo, bro, this nigga staring at me for what?
Why is everybody in school? That's my question. Why are you in school and on Omi TV? Or Monkey or whatever this app is. Sorry. What's up, bro? Alright.
He actually knew us.
He too close.
What's up?
He too close.
Yo, what's good, Mud?
How are you?
How are you?
I'm doing okay. You're on YouTube right now.
No,
Yeah,
no.
yeah, you are. Oh, twins. Me and you have the same name. You and me have the same name, Brody. Okay. What's up?
What up, man?
How are you?
Pleasant.
Guess what?
Wow.
You're on YouTube right now.
How many viewers you got?
What?
I said how many subscribers you have.
71.
Oh my god, tough. Hold
Yep.
on. Hold on. So you streaming? Hold on. Let the chat see my new video. My new whip. Hold
I'm
on.
not streaming now. I'm recording a video.
Oh, my bad. Hold on. Give me a second.
Am I gonna get banned on this app if I share the link of my YouTube channel too?
If you like what?
If I share the link for my YouTube channel on this app, am I gonna get banned on this one too?
Mm-mm. I'm so sorry.
You're good.
I'm just a little high right now. Well, I'm getting off of a high. So boom. This is the
Cause
music keys.
I just got finished recording a video, or not. I'm still recording, but I just got finished on Omi TV for posting or sharing my YouTube channel link, and I got banned. So I don't want to get banned again, and then have to go to a different chat site.
Yeah.
So am I gonna get banned if I share this with you?
Oh no, you're not gonna get banned, bro. I'm telling you. People do Instagrams. I got girls' Instagrams off of here and everything.
All right, I'm gonna send this link to you. It's my YouTube channel.
I promise you're not gonna get banned over. OME ban me for just standing there, bro. All right,
Anyways, that's my
I'm
channel.
gonna
If you want to
screenshot
subscribe.
it. I'm gonna screenshot it and I'm gonna copy and paste. But this is my new web.
Hey, nice. Bro's got the car.
Now I'm gonna show you the inside. You ready for the inside?
Sure.
Hold on. Hold on. Let me unlock it.
Honestly, low key, the interior is better.
I know. You want to hear it start up?
Why not? We're already here, aren't we?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
When'd you get it?
The other day,
Nice. So this is
and I
very
got and I
recent.
already got my screen here. It's called
So this is very recent then.
yeah. 2026 Mazda 3.
Nice, bro. I still don't have a car, and I'm 19, so you're doing something right.
Yeah, I'm 18. I have 2 jobs, and I'm grinding my ass off.
I can tell. I mean, hey, power to you, man. You already got a car. That's really good for you, man.
You're gonna get there someday. Trust me. You just have to believe in yourself. You have the self confidence.
Oh, I know.
That's what I didn't have until now. Because my friend. Hold on. Let me cut.
Is bro still there? Chat? I think he died. Chat, he died. Yeah, he died. He was cool though. I think I might be banned for sharing the link, honestly, because nothing's working. Maybe I don't know. We'll see. Oh nope, we're not banned. We're good. We're good. What's up? Is bro about to go rob a bank?
Like a what?
Are you about to go rob a bank? No. Okay, cool. What the heck? All right. Then I might maybe restart. Or did it go? All right. Apparently, no one wants to talk to me. What's up?
Hi,
Oh, you're a girl.
I'm a man.
Oh, that was
Yo,
what the heck?
so
Why does bro have like an AI?
I'm not AI.
No, you're AI.
No, I'm in Apple Vision, bro.
You're an AI, bro.
Fuck you too.
Yeah, thanks. What's up?
Hi,
How are you?
I'm great.
Cool. Grimixy? What that kind of name is that? What's up?
What's up?
You want to say hi to my YouTube channel?
YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Do you have YouTube channel?
Yep.
What is it?
I don't know. Man, trolling people is so fun. It only gets not fun whenever you have in IRL consequences. Bro's making ramen?
I don't know. I got some gas. That's some ramen though.
Cool. Bro, I swear, like, everybody on here is either high, was high, or is smoking at the moment.
I moved your meeting, and your car will be here.
What's up?
Perfect.
Look at this little beauty I found in the garden.
Nice snake.
Alright. Bro couldn't hold in his laughter.
Keep your friend close, but keep your enemy close.
Chat, I don't know. I mean,
What's up, chat? Damn, nigga, like Stephen Hawking, nigga, before the injury.
oh, what's up? Bro, is that cat? Are you Cabby Lane? Bro, you look like Cabby Lane, bro. Now you're just not gonna answer?
Look like
Alright.
Jeffrey Dahmer, nigga.
See you later, Cabby. Alright, chat. I think we're gonna call it a day there, honestly. Crap, you can see my you didn't see my YouTube feed, I swear. Anyways, I think we're gonna call it a day there. Well, actually, hold on. Let's see. What else would you guys want to see right now? I don't really know. Should we just end it there? Should we? What should we do? I don't know. I think we're just gonna end it there. I don't know what else to do for you guys, and honestly, I'm banned from Obi TV, and that was the main like site for everything that I wanted to do on there. So, anywho, we'll call it a day there. Hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for another video on Friday. Um, Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.